Hey, how's it going, everybody? It is Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is the Artisan Cutlery Sirius. And it is a really, really sleek, awesome gentleman's flipper, or gentlewoman's. And this is from designer Ray Laconico. You can see he's got his name right there, as he usually will put it somewhere on a knife. We've got a beautiful satin drop point blade. This is a blade length of 3.54 inches. Cutting edge is 3.29 inches. And as you can see, this is the Artisan Cutlery steel of AR RPM 9 stainless steel. And I have this on a few other knives like the Arroyo and so forth, and I've been pretty impressed with it. Overall, we're looking at 8.04 inches. Blade thickness is only 0.11 inches. Handle is 4.5 inches. This is the black G10 version, and this steel has got the hardness of 59 to 61 HRC. Extremely sharp, I gotta say. This has got the titanium clip on it, which is only tip up right hand carry, and it's a really, really nice clip. Goes in and out of the pocket very nicely. Got a nice little G10 backspacer there. This does operate so smoothly, and you can use the front flipper like so. I like to sometimes just roll it out like that, but with this particular knife, as smooth as it is, it fires out so nicely just using the thumb stud. And this only weighs 3 ounces. It's so thin. I love the G10 on this. It's got this really beautiful grain on it. It's got your like a brass collar around the pivot screw, and I really like the milled out fuller that you have in here, which provides a really nice comfortable spot for your fingers. And because this is such a neutral grip, and having that there and it being so thin, it just really fits great in the hand. There is no no jimping on there really, but there is some jimping on the flipper. So it really flips out so nicely. And this does come in different variations. You can get this in titanium with S35VN. They offer micarta burgundy or OD green. You can get that with a black PVD coated S35VN or even the satin on both of those. And this is a really fun knife. It's a nice fidgeter, and it pretty centered. And man, I just love how that flies right out. Lockup is pretty excellent on it, as you can see, and it's a fun knife. I do wish that there was a little more access for that liner, and yes, I am probably going to mill that out with probably a Dremel or maybe a file or what have you after I take that scale off. But all in all, this is it's still accessible to get a finger in there to access that liner either way for closing it. And it is a laser. It is super sharp, and it's a very very usable knife. It's just fits so comfortably in the pocket, and it goes in and out of that pocket just nicely. There is a spot there for the lanyard if you want to go through, so they didn't drill a hole through it. But it's such a neutral knife, but it's such a user, and is such a razor sharp blade on it. It's a lot of fun, and it's again, it's a nice fidgeter. I am just beyond happy with the way that action is with those ceramic ball bearings. And it's an excellent knife. So there you go. This is the Artisan Cutlery Sirius. That's S-I-R-I-U-S. And I'm Newcastle Ninja. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for those that have subscribed to the channel. Please feel free to leave a comment. Love to see it, especially those thumbs up on the video if you did like it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. You guys take care. I'll see you.